there, this is Lisa Schroeder. We're with Colorado Earth, and today we're making traditional adobe bricks. Some of you might be cuddled up reading a book, but we're out in the rain making some mud. So first we mix the mixture dry in a wheelbarrow. Here we're doing our clay proportioned, a little bit of extra sand, and a small percentage of cement for stabilization. When we spin around, we mix it to get it wet. So this is a kind of thick yogurt-like consistency. You can do this in a mixer, but today we're doing it in the wheelbarrows because we're just doing a few of them. So get it really thick, and then we're going to add straw to it. So here's our chopped straw. Kind of sprinkle it throughout, get it nice and mixed in. We're going to add another handful. Once this is mixed really well, I'm going to take some of this mud over to the molds. And here we have some of the mud already filled in our 3 adobe molds that we're making, 10 by 14s. And Jim is going to help me lift this back mold off to make this last row of adobes.
Right now?
Yeah. And then Jim, let's just take it over here to that area.
Ready?
Straight up, right? The last one here. All right.
Oh, you see, someone stuck. Woo, those are beauties. Beauties.
That's it.